Ever wondered how a tiny trace element like copper can make a colossal difference in agriculture? It might seem surprising, but this humble reddish-brown element plays an indispensable part in the agricultural world, functioning in two pivotal roles: as a vital micronutrient and an effective fungicide. Firstly, as a micronutrient, copper is a crucial component of several enzymes that are involved in vital plant processes. From photosynthesis to respiration, from carbohydrate metabolism to nitrogen metabolism, copper acts as a catalyst, optimizing these processes to promote healthy plant growth, development, and yield. It's like the unassuming backstage crew in a play, quietly ensuring everything runs smoothly, resulting in a successful performance. Further, copper doesn't just play a role behind the scenes in plant growth, it's also a star performer when it comes to combating fungal foes. Acting as a potent, broad-spectrum fungicide, copper-based fungicides are effective against a wide range of fungal diseases. They disrupt fungal cell membranes, preventing pathogen growth and spread, protecting your crops from potential fungal infections and managing existing outbreaks. But it's not just about indiscriminate application. Copper in agriculture is a balancing act. Too little and plants suffer from deficiency. Too much and soil can accumulate excessive copper, which can be detrimental to plant health and the environment. That's why regular soil testing, understanding crop-specific needs, and considering environmental factors are all part of optimizing copper application. In the world of organic farming, copper fungicides are widely used due to their natural origin and low environmental impact. However, responsible use is crucial to avoid excessive soil accumulation and potential fungal resistance. Excessive reliance on copper-based fungicides can lead to fungal resistance. Implementing crop rotation and integrating alternative control methods are essential for sustainable fungicide use. So, copper, the unsung hero of the agricultural world, is indeed a powerful ally in nurturing healthy crops and protecting them from fungal threats. Its roles in agriculture are indeed diverse, but what exactly are these roles? Let's delve deeper. Firstly, copper is a crucial micronutrient, but what does this mean for plant health? Well, just as vitamins nourish our bodies, micronutrients like copper are vital for plant health. Let's dive into the world of plant biology to understand this better. Copper is a key player in several enzymatic processes within a plant. It's kind of like a backstage crew member in a theater production. You might not see it, but it's there, making the show happen. Copper is involved in photosynthesis, the process by which plants use sunlight to produce their food. It also plays a role in respiration, helping plants convert their food into energy. And it doesn't stop there. Copper is also a part of carbohydrate metabolism, assisting plants in breaking down sugars for further energy production. Now, you might be wondering, what's the result of all these processes? The answer is simple: growth, development, and yield. When a plant has an adequate supply of copper, these processes run like a well-oiled machine. Photosynthesis, respiration, and carbohydrate metabolism become more efficient, promoting healthy plant growth. This means bigger, stronger plants that yield more. It's like a domino effect. The right amount of copper sets off a chain of events leading to overall plant health and productivity. But what happens if there's not enough copper? Without sufficient copper, these processes can't function at their best. This can lead to a variety of problems, including stunted growth, reduced yield, and even plant death. It's like trying to run a car without enough oil. Eventually, things are going to break down. So copper is not just a nutrient. It's a growth booster that helps plants flourish. Like the diligent crew member working behind the scenes, copper plays a vital role in the life of a plant, orchestrating the complex processes that enable it to grow, develop, and yield bountifully. It's a tiny element with a big job, and without it, the show simply can't go on. Copper is also a catalyst, activating key enzymes. But how does this benefit plants? Well, let's delve into this. Copper is a bit of a backstage hero in the world of plant growth and development. It activates enzymes that play pivotal roles in two key processes: nitrogen metabolism and lignin biosynthesis. Nitrogen metabolism is all about how plants use nitrogen, one of the essential building blocks of life. Nitrogen is crucial for the synthesis of proteins, nucleic acids, and other cellular components. When copper activates the enzymes responsible for this process, it aids in efficient nitrogen utilization. This means plants can make the most of the nitrogen available to them, which in turn promotes healthy growth and development. Let's now turn our attention to lignin biosynthesis. Lignin is a complex organic polymer that is key in forming cell walls in plants, especially in the woody tissues. It's like the cement that holds a brick wall together, providing strength and rigidity. When copper activates the enzymes involved in lignin biosynthesis, it promotes the development of strong cell walls. This leads to stronger plants that are more resistant to lodging, which is when plants fall or bend over, a common problem in crop cultivation. But that's not all. Stronger cell walls also improve a plant's resistance to disease. It's akin to having a fortified castle wall that keeps out invading forces. In this case, the invaders are plant pathogens and the castle is the plant. By enhancing cell wall development, copper helps plants ward off these harmful invaders, thereby improving disease resistance. So the role of copper in activating enzymes is like that of a director guiding actors in a play. It ensures that the actors or enzymes perform their roles efficiently, leading to a successful performance, or in this case, a healthy, strong plant. So, copper not only nourishes plants but also strengthens them against disease. It's like a multitasking superhero, serving as both a nurturer and a protector in the intricate world of plant growth and development. Copper's second major role in agriculture is as a potent fungicide. But how does it work? Well, let me tell you. Copper-based fungicides pack a punch against an array of fungal diseases that threaten our crops. From downy mildew to powdery mildew and even the menacing anthracnose, copper fungicides stand their ground. So, what makes copper such a formidable foe against these fungal diseases? The answer lies in its mode of action. Copper fungicides work by disrupting the cell membranes of these fungal pathogens. This disruption prevents the growth and spread of these disease-causing fungi, effectively nipping the problem in the bud. But it's not just the traditional farming methods that can benefit from copper's fungicidal properties. Organic agriculture, a rapidly growing sector, also finds a reliable ally in copper. Copper fungicides are widely used in organic farming due to their natural origin. They're derived from a common element found in the Earth's crust, making them a more environmentally friendly option compared to synthetic fungicides. However, like all good things, copper fungicides should be used responsibly. Excessive use can lead to soil accumulation, which might be detrimental to the soil health and the environment. Therefore, it's crucial to strike a balance between effective fungal control and responsible use. And that's not all. Copper is not just a preventive measure. It also has curative properties. This means copper can be applied to protect crops from potential fungal infections and to manage existing outbreaks. The timing and method of application depend on the specific disease challenges and crop requirements. So, in the ongoing battle against fungal diseases, copper plays a significant role. It's a broad-spectrum fungicide that disrupts fungal growth, proving effective against a wide range of diseases. Used responsibly, it's an invaluable tool in organic farming and a crucial line of defense for crops everywhere. Copper is thus a powerful weapon in the fight against fungal foes. With its dual role as a nutrient and a fungicide, the use of copper in agriculture truly showcases its versatility and value. So, we know copper is crucial, but how can you optimize its application in your farm? Copper optimization starts from the ground up, literally. Testing your soil regularly is fundamental. This practice reveals the copper levels in your terrain, guiding you to correct deficiencies or excessive accumulations. Remember, having too little or too much copper can be equally detrimental to plant health. Now let's consider the crops themselves. Each crop has its own unique copper requirements. Just like us humans, some plants need more of certain nutrients than others. So make it a point to research your crop's specific needs. This way, you can tailor your copper application rates to their requirements, ensuring they get just the right amount they need to thrive. We also can't ignore the environmental factors. Soil pH, organic matter content, and even rainfall can all influence copper availability. These factors can determine how much copper your crops can actually absorb from the soil. So keep an eye on your local weather forecasts and consider investing in a good soil pH tester. Adapting your application methods based on these environmental factors can lead to more efficient copper uptake and reduce the risk of environmental harm. Finally, let's talk about rotational practices. While copper-based fungicides are highly effective, Excessive reliance on them can lead to fungi developing resistance. That's why it's important to rotate your crops and integrate alternative control methods. This practice not only keeps the fungi guessing, but it also helps maintain soil health and nutrient balance. As you can see, optimizing copper application takes a well-rounded approach. It's about understanding your soil, knowing your crops, considering the environment, and practicing sustainable farming. Only then can you fully unlock the potential of this versatile element, making it a powerful ally in your agricultural success. Optimizing copper application is key to maximizing its benefits and minimizing potential risks. Apart from aiding growth and combating fungi, copper also plays a role in improving fruit quality. But how? Copper, in its multifaceted role, contributes significantly to fruit set, size, and flavor. It's like the secret ingredient in your grandma's famous recipe. You might not see it, but oh boy, can you taste the difference. In the grand scheme of plant development, copper acts as a catalyst, facilitating the process of fruit set. It's like a trusted friend, always there to lend a hand when the plant is ready to bear fruit. Copper ensures that the transition from flower to fruit is smooth and efficient, eventually leading to a bountiful harvest. But the role of copper doesn't stop at fruit set. It also influences the size of the fruit. Now, size might not be everything, but when it comes to fruits, a larger size often translates to a higher yield. And who doesn't love a big, juicy apple or a plump, ripe tomato? By stimulating cell division and elongation, copper helps fruits reach their full-size potential. Flavor is another area where copper makes its mark. It aids in carbohydrate metabolism, which impacts the sugar content of the fruit. This, in turn, influences the taste of the fruit. So, the next time you bite into a sweet, flavorful apple, remember to thank copper for that delightful taste. But wait, there's more. Copper is not just for fruits. It also enhances the color and shelf life of vegetables. Like an artist with a palette, copper helps vegetables display vibrant colors, making them more appealing to consumers. Moreover, it extends the shelf life of vegetables, ensuring that they remain fresh and nutritious for longer, a key factor in improving marketability. So, copper not only ensures healthy growth but also improves the marketability of your produce. It's like the silent hero working behind the scenes to ensure that you reap the best possible fruits and vegetables from your labor. Copper, a small element with significant impact, truly is a farmer's best friend. As we've explored, this versatile element plays a dual role in agriculture, acting as both a crucial micronutrient and a potent fungicide. It stands as a silent partner in the world of agriculture, contributing to the health, growth, and yield of crops in ways that are often overlooked. As an essential micronutrient, copper is a component of several enzymes involved in key processes like photosynthesis, respiration, and carbohydrate metabolism. Its presence optimizes these processes, promoting robust plant growth and development. Moreover, copper activates enzymes responsible for nitrogen metabolism and lignin biosynthesis, thus enhancing nitrogen utilization and cell wall development. This leads to stronger plants, improved resistance to lodging and disease, and ultimately, a bountiful harvest. But the power of copper extends beyond nourishing the crops. It also serves as a stalwart defender against fungal foes. Copper-based fungicides are effective against a wide range of fungal diseases, preventing pathogen growth and spread. These fungicides are particularly valuable in organic farming, offering a natural solution with minimal environmental impact. Whether applied preventively or curatively, copper enables farmers to protect their crops from potential fungal infections and manage existing outbreaks. The benefits of copper also extend to the fruits of our labor, quite literally. It contributes to fruit set, size, and flavor, and in vegetables, it enhances color and shelf life. With proper copper levels, you can optimize fruit and vegetable quality, thereby improving marketability and consumer satisfaction. However, to reap these benefits, it's essential to know how to apply copper wisely. Regular soil testing, understanding crop-specific needs, and considering environmental factors are key. Additionally, rotational practices and alternative control methods are necessary to prevent fungal resistance and ensure sustainable use of copper-based fungicides. Understanding and harnessing the power of copper can indeed propel your agricultural success to new heights. Remember, responsible application, informed by soil testing and crop-specific needs, is crucial for maximizing the benefits of copper while minimizing potential drawbacks.